Sun is shining and we're gonna get this done. Buckle your seatbelts. I already did it. This is just for the camera, but there's still more to go. It's just foam under there, and this is all Gorilla Tape, and then I use spray adhesive, Gorilla spray adhesive, and this is just taking time. I can't pull too hard because, oh, this stuff is, look at that. Disgusting, huh? Ooh. I'm trying to avoid pulling up any foam, but I know I will. I'm going to refill it anyway. But I'm getting down there. I want to set the camera down so I do it right, but it's happening. And then over here, is where I'm going to cut this piece here in that shape. And that's what the other side looks like. Super cool, right? Anyway, that's what we're doing.